Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit down.
Thanks. The airport is really crowded today, isn't it?
Yes, but the weather is perfect for flying.
The sunlight looks beautiful through the windows.
I like your backpack. The pattern is cool.
Thank you. I bought it on my last vacation.
It looks special. Are you traveling for work or fun?
For fun, I'm visiting friends. You?
I'm going to see my family.
That's nice. Are you excited?
Yes, I haven't seen them in months.
Which city are you flying to?
Los Angeles.
Me too. Maybe we're on the same flight.
Looks like we're travel buddies now.
Small talk really works.
Welcome. Here are your menus.
Thank you. Can we have a few minutes?
Of course.
Excuse me, can I ask a question?
Sure.
What do you recommend for dinner?
The grilled chicken is very popular, and the pasta is also good.
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
I'll try the pasta.
Would you like a starter?
Yes, tomato soup, please.
Any allergies?
I can't eat nuts.
No problem. I'll make sure your food is safe.
Can we have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Hi, I like this sweater. Do you have it in large?
Yes, here's a large.
Do you have other colors?
We have blue, black, and green.
I'll try the blue one.
The fitting room is over there.
It fits well. How much is it?
$50.
That's a bit much. Can you give me a discount?
For you, $40.
Can you do $35?
Okay, $35 is fine.
Great. What's your return policy?
You can return it in 7 days with the tag.
Perfect. I'll take it. Hi, I'd like to check in for my flight to Paris.
May I see your passport?
Here you go.
Any bags to check in?
Just this suitcase.
Window or aisle seat?
Window, please.
Here's your boarding pass. Gate 10.
Thank you.
Please put your bags on the belt.
Do I need to take out my laptop?
Yes, and any liquids.
Got it.
Good afternoon. Passport, please.
Here it is.
Purpose of visit.
Vacation for 7 days.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
Hi, do you have a reservation?
Yes, under Sarah Lee.
May I see your passport?
Here you go.
Will you pay the deposit by card or cash?
By card.
Your room is 305. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes, just use your room number.
Can I get a wake-up call at 6:30?
Of course.
The air conditioner isn't working.
I'll send someone to fix it. If it takes too long, I'll move you to another room.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the train station?
Sure. Are you walking?
Yes.
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right at the traffic light.
Is there a sign?
Yes, you'll see a blue sign.
How long does it take?
About 7 minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Hello, doctor. I have a sore throat and a headache.
How long have you felt this way?
For 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
I'll check your temperature.
Okay.
You have a mild infection. You need rest and medicine.
Do I need a prescription?
Yes, I'll write one for you.
Thank you.
Take the medicine twice a day after meals.
How long?
3 days. If you don't feel better, come back.
Thank you, doctor.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Emma. I have 2 years of customer service experience.
Why did you apply for this job?
I like your company and want to grow my skills.
What's your greatest strength?
Communication. I stay calm under pressure.
And a weakness?
I get nervous in front of big groups, but I'm improving.
Can you work in a team?
Yes, I enjoy teamwork.
What are your career goals?
I want to become a team leader in the future.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, can you tell me more about the team?
It's a small, supportive team.
That sounds great. Thank you. Are you free this Friday night?
I think so. What's up?
I want to see the new movie. Want to join?
Sure. What time?
7:30 p.m. at Central Cinema.
Sounds good.
Should we get dinner first?
Yes, let's meet at 6 for pizza.
Perfect. See you Friday.
Looking forward to it. Excuse me, my soup is cold.
I'm sorry, would you like a new one?
Yes, please.
I'll bring a fresh bowl right away.
Thank you. Also, I ordered bread, but it didn't come.
Sorry, I'll bring it with your soup.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Here's your hot soup and bread.
This looks much better.
Glad to hear it. Enjoy your meal.